guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another heatless curl style. I'm going to try to keep the theme for like heatless hump days going for as long as possible. Today's styling tool is another one that I found on Amazon, and it's these little curlers here, and they're foam curlers. It's a little curler like this, and there's like foam in the middle, and I can feel that there's like some kind of, I don't know what you would call it, like a metal in there, flexible, that, you know, bends, twists. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these. This pack of curlers comes with 30 curlers. I'm getting ready to hop in the shower just to kind of wash my hair and get ready. Also, I bought a new like setting mousse, setting foam, and this one in particular is by Aunt Jackie's, and it's the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. I've never tried this one before, so hopefully it works really well. Also, anybody who's used to setting their curls, if you guys have any recommendations, I will gladly take those. Like, comment down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair like I said, and I'll be back when I'm ready to start putting these curlers in my hair. All right, so I am back with my freshly washed hair. So let's go ahead and get started with these curlers. So of course, first I'm gonna section off my hair and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm gonna start out with the Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. It smells really good. Ooh, you know what? 2 pumps might be too much. I'm gonna do it anyway. So grabbing this foam roller, I'm just going to start at the top of the foam area and just roll it around. And then from here, I'm just gonna roll up the ends to meet each other. Hello. And twist. So I'm down to my last 2 on this side. So I just want to show you real quick. So I've still been doing the 2 pumps, even though it's clearly a lot. And then detangle just to smooth out the hair. Twist at the root a tiny bit. Grab a roller, and I'm putting it behind because I'm trying to put my curls away from my face, in the direction away from my face, and then just roll them around. Kind of twisting my hair a little bit too, like as I put it around. And then just twist and secure. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this side, and then I will be back to show you what it's looking like. All right, so I have my hair in all these little curlers, and honestly, I already see like potential problems, like my ends sticking out of some of these. I'm just gonna, I don't really think that I can control that much. I probably could like use some edge control or something, but it's not that serious for me. So I'm just gonna let it be, and we'll see tomorrow how much it affects these curlers. So I'm gonna leave these in overnight and hopefully they're comfortable. I feel like they're not gonna be, but we'll see. So I will be back tomorrow so we can take these down and see what we're working with. So I am back. It's the next day and I'm ready to take these down. Surprisingly, it was actually not that uncomfortable to sleep in, so I was actually able to sleep. It was a little bit uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't perfect, and I think it's because of the wires, but whatever. I think pretty much all of them are dry, so I'm not too worried. Yeah, let's get started. See what we're working with. Okay. Okay, that looks promising. Here's what it's looking like before separation. And honestly, they're looking good. I really feel like this did a really good job with the hold because they're looking really good so far. Like I haven't started separating yet, but really shiny and they just look healthy and it looks really good. And the hold, it feels really good. It feels better than a lot of the other setting mousses that I've used so far. I haven't used many. So this might have done that. All right, so I'm gonna actually rub a little bit of this serum here throughout my strands to help minimize frizz throughout the separation. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and separate the rest and I'll be right back. Here's the results of the takedown. Woo! I'm not even gonna front. I'm not even gonna try to hide it. Yes, there is frizz, but baby, it's cute. I like it. I actually like it. I don't mind this frizz because there's way more definition than frizz, and even the frizz is like defined, you know? Oh, girl. I love it. I do, you know, like my hair is shrunken from this, but just like the uniform curls and all. I have these clips that I got off of Amazon and I'm just gonna test it real quick just to see. Like, let's just see. Ooh. Okay, so I have to say that I am like, I'm happy with the way that these came out, and I would definitely do it again, especially if I'm looking for more of like the uniform curl type of vibe and a lot of volume. I didn't even have to pick out my hair. So in regards to this, I feel like it did a really good job, and I'm going to keep using it and testing it out to see how it works with other curl sets and stuff. So this one I like so far. I love the smell. I like the holds, and it works in my opinion. So this is 2 thumbs up for me. These curlers are 2 thumbs up for me. And overall, I am happy. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from... If you want to see more from me. What's wrong with me? And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.